I've started putting the boxes, the flower boxes. I'm going to put up the little shutters over here. Goodness, cuteness overload. I really have to get that roof swept. But is that cute or is that cute? Like on a scale of 1 to 10, I would put that at a 10. Now I do have foam, floral foam, and red flowers to put in the boxes. Look at these beautiful vases. Just gorgeous. Just beautiful. So I fill this here so it doesn't have all the dips and whatever. I might put a little bit there next week, but it's okay. But you can see the erosion there just washing off, and over here too. So the honeysuckle I want to move over there. So next week, if it's calling for rain during the week, I'll move it over. I don't want to wait too long either, because then it gets too cold and the roots won't take. I'll take a lot of soil with it, but you just never know, right? So from here, I can't wait till this is all done. I'm aiming to just get the outside done ASAP. And then focus on the inside, which I do when it's raining or anything like that. But this had all of these gouges and it seems to be staying, so I hope that it does stay. Up here, I can always, when I remove those things, but that's not going to move until we have this area done, and that's out of my priority list at the moment. So I'm behind schedule because I was hoping to put the trim along here and then along the rocks, and that didn't happen. I really like the level. I know it's going to be a little bit of settling. I'll just keep filling it. But it was just so choppy with dips and, you know, and crevices and whatnot. So now it's nice. And I think you already know me by now in terms of having things done just so. So if this bothers me, it might be about half an inch higher. If it bothers me, then I'll just level this stuff here. But it's going to be hard to tell until we have the line for the walkway. Right now I'm just guessing where things are going to be, but on this side of the hostas there's going to be a good 3, maybe 4 inches that's going to be soil. So I'll be digging out some of that gravel. So loving it. So this is that time of the evening where, yeah. So I had some bugs coming to get me, and this is something that I got online, and I just brought them out. They came to bother me a little bit more, but then they disappeared. So I think this works, which is great, because I don't have any coming towards me now, but it could also be that there's none out right now. So from here, like right now it kind of looks yucky because of the difference in coloration, but it's a really nice smooth hill. So it's a little bit low over there. I may fill it next, maybe this year, because I'm gonna get another 14 bags of that soil. And over here, I was hoping to put the rocks today, but I didn't. So I may remove these lilies here. I don't want it to spread. And then just put rocks from there over to here. And maybe in front of the tree so that it connects with the rocks that I'm going to put here. And then I'll put some nice soil in there as well. But see here, this is a good 10 inches, 8 to 10 inches drop. So, and obviously this was the level before. So I'll reestablish the level here of what it was before, which is not much, maybe an inch and a half over here. But over there you can see all the washout. And then I'll just build a little wall on that side there, enough that there's a nice grade. So with this covering it, the soil, I'll just fill that up and have a nice rounded curve down towards the little wall. Or I will just establish a little garden on the outside of the fence and then use garden edging or something to separate, because I don't want the grass and weeds to go into the garden after.